Namaste. Welcome you all in NIOS video class. Today's subject is DEO, that is Data Entry Operation for Secondary Level. The name of the lesson is Formatting Worksheets. Lesson number 7. How we format worksheets. What is the meaning of worksheets? Worksheet is the sheet where we work. It is a plain white sheet, is different from the worksheet. First, we read difficult words from the chapter. Cell. Cell is related to the Excel file. You have seen so many small blocks that names cell. Next word is font style. You have seen there are different kind of font styles according to your need. In which style or in what manner you want the font. That is font style. It is possible in all the languages: Hindi, English, Tamil, Oriya, etc. Dialog box. Dialog box are the box which has all the data which represent over the sheet. Border. Border are the type of lines in an file which divides your data according to your need. Column and rows. Column runs vertically and rows run horizontally. Next is worksheet. Before I have explained you, this sheet name is worksheet. Paragraph. There are different kind of paragraph in a story, drama, etc. Click. Whenever you work with the mouse and you click on a particular thing. Rename means changing of name. For example, there will be the own name given by the computer, that is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. But for a particular sheet you want to change the name, you can always do that and put whatever you want, such as data or any other name you want to put in that particular column. Insert means you have finished your work and there has some person comes who want you to add more data in that desired work. It is possible to put more data in an worksheet vertically or horizontally or in any sheet, that is sheet 1, 2, 3, etc. For example, previously you have said this. You have to make 5 columns only, but after that it will be increased. Delete. You have an option of delete a cell, delete a row, or delete a column, any of these. You can easily delete it. It is also possible to delete a particular sheet and move the sheet from here to there. You find some useless things, you can also delete that. For example, from the help of keyboard button delete, it is also possible to delete something from the work you have done. Now, words has been finished. Let's begin with the chapter. Excel. Excel makes available numerous formatting options to give your worksheet a polished look. You can change the size, color and angle of fonts, add colors to the border, and background of cells. Background can be added easily and have the format of a cell change based on its value. You will see that some of the formatting features in MS Excel are the same as you used in MS Word. Objectives of lesson. After going through this lesson, you would be able to first use auto format features. Second, format data and worksheets. How you can save all your data and use that in the worksheets. Use format painter. Last, use formulas and functions. You all know there are different kinds of function in Excel required. For example, different languages. I'll explain you it further in the chapter. Home tab and the formatting tool. I'll inform you the name of few blocks which appears in red. The first one is font. How you can choose the right font for your worksheet. In lesson, it is in deep, first, second, alignment. Alignment is where you want the text on the right side, on the left side, or in the center. Last, number. Number is related to exercise, money, time, etc. These are the three alignment in the Home tab and the formatting tools. Now, it is important to remember in mini toolbar. The mini toolbar which is shown in picture is it has these 11 parts in it. The first one is font type and font size. Second is decrease font or increase font. Third, accounting number format. Fourth point, percent style. Sixth point, comma style. Seventh point, bold, italic, center. Sixth point, format, painter. Eighth point, border. Ninth point, font, color or fill color. 10th, increase or decrease in decimals. For example, 100, 200, 300, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, etc. Both increase and decrease are possible in decimals. 11th, merge and center. Before giving any print, please check how it looks and preview it once. I hope it all is clear and you have understood it all. Let's move forward. Using the format cell dialog box. Let's explain it. When you click on the command, the drop down will appear in front of you. First, whenever you start a worksheet, you will see Home. After clicking on that, you will click on the number, and if you feel you want more number formats, you have to click on the last option of the number format. You will get more and more options. It is limited, but in it there are so many options available. Now, I'll teach you an important point. There are 6 tabs in format cell dialog box. The name of them are as following: number, alignment, font, border, fill, protection. Now, firstly, we are going to understand number, what is the date today, or what is the month today, and what is the year today. The part you have written on a sheet is being presented in front of someone, whether it's on right, left, or center, or diagonally. Alignment is related to that. First, you have to check by yourself in computer and practice it. I hope it's clear now. Let's move forward. Font. Font is the type of font you want. There are so many styles available in font. Some of them are bold, some of them. Which kind of border you want. If it's not important, you can leave it. But if you want to decorate or you want to add border in it, you can choose as designed by yourself. Pattern. Pattern are the choices of colors. Protection. Now let's take a break.
प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने।
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने। हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने।
हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने।
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने।
धन साधन समय की सीमा से विद्यालय जो मुक्त हो।
धन साधन समय की सीमा से विद्यालय जो मुक्त हो।
कभी पढ़े हम कहीं पढ़े, वे विषय की लोच से युक्त हो।
कभी पढ़े हम कहीं पढ़े, वे विषय की लोच से युक्त हो।
मित्रों हम उठे और जागे,
मंजिल आने की ध्वनि सुने। हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने।
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने।
राष्ट्रीय मुक्त विद्यालय का है द्वार खुला सबकी खातिर।
शिक्षा परीक्षा का अवसर एक बार ही क्यों मिलता फिर।
शिक्षा परीक्षा का अवसर एक बार ही क्यों मिलता फिर दुनिया में इसके केंद्र बात
कोई मन चाहा केंद्र चुने हम अपना जीवन स्वयं बने हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने कोई मन चाहा केंद्र चुने
Now, at which date or what time it automatically shows and update it by itself. You all may think and get confused, but as you can see, January 1, 2001. It is also written in 1 Jan 01. Both are the same things. Person use according to their preferences. You can use any of them. Both are right. You can use it as also January 1st, 2001. Different people write dates in different formats. I hope it is clear. Formatting columns and rows. Autofit and hide selected. Now I'll explain you both. Where you can find it. When you can go on format, there will be a drop down in front of you in which you can see a auto fit option for row and column both. I'll explain you it further. Now as you can see, these are the two different slides. At one, full name of the company is not displayed, but on the second picture, the full name of the company is visible. As you will see it and easily recognize it. So whenever you feel it, you see the full name of the company easily. You all can experience it by yourself. Next is hide selected. You can see two pictures here. These are the same pictures, but the numbers are missing in the second one. These columns are hidden by the person who made this. How you can hide it? Click hide column upon click the selected columns will be hidden. Teacher uses this technique to hide whenever she wants to teach or show something to students, so they can see easily what are required by them and not only the whole thing. It will not get deleted, it will be on same place, but it just get hide. Formatting worksheets using cell style and applying styles. These are the cell styles. How you can learn it, I'll see in the next slide. Let's start. First, you have to fill the worksheets. For example, the name of the person, address, age, salary in different columns. It should not be empty, it should be full and filled. And drag the column from starting point to the end point. Afterwards, click on the button Cell Style. After clicking on Cell Style, we have to do you have to choose the required colors, whatever you want, such as blue, red, grey, etc. It will be get ready automatically in big size, in normal size, in good or in neutral size. You can put different fonts and styles in it also. As you can see, if you want style, you can delete whatever you want from that particular folder, such as you can click on the left vertical or you can click from the right vertical, whatever things which you want to delete or want to keep. And if you find it perfect, you can click it on the OK and it will be finished. It is an important part of formatting worksheets. You don't have to worry about what to keep and what to delete. It will automatically delete and keep whatever required. It has an automatic technique or technology. Now you can see a column which has only border at the outside and color on the outside, not in the inside, because we have chosen it that way. A few of the effects are discussed below. Comma. There are different types of commas. Otherwise, currency. There are different type of currency such as rupiah, dollar, pounds, dinar, etc. Different state, different countries have their different currency. Next is normal. It is a normal number from 1 to 0. Last but not the least, percent. That is how much percent. For example, 12%. Hindi, maths, different percentile get by the student in different subjects. Now, format painter. Where it is? You can find it on the formatting text, a handy feature on the standard toolbar for formatting text in the format painter. It is an easy way. Let's explain it further. As you can see picture, there are two different pictures. There is pink and green on the last second column, but on the last column there is no color. But in the second picture you can see a pink column in no. How it get painted, I'll explain you further. No has pink color and yes has green color. So everyone can easily understand no and yes. If it will have same colors for yes or no, it will be difficult to identify what is yes and what is no. From the mouse, you will fill in the keyboard. After that, you can easily find what is no. Whenever you chooses the color on the PPT will decide, and whenever it is clicked, you have to just click on that particular cell and the color will appear there. If you choose different colors for the same word, it will get confused to you and the person who is seeing your slide. But if you choose the right color for the right word and the right cell, you can easily identify the data and easily do the work. For example, in maths or in English, I'll see size come, I'll add more size. If you see there is no color, I'll put color in it. If you want it in the middle, you will put it in the middle. Similarly, if one is copied that and made the same slide full, increase the side, make the letters in italic, make them bold, and at one place. You can easily choose one time from here to there. You all do a practice by yourself in computers so you can understand more thoroughly. Auto format. How auto format will appear? For example, select Home tab, Style group, Format as table, and it will appear in front of you. In picture 1, you can see it is a normal slide. There is no highlights in the cell. You will drag from point A to point B and then you will click on the style, afterwards format as table, and you will choose the whatever given format you want for your table. For example, you have chosen this will be get colorful, and here you can see the preview also of whatever you have done. You will see it and you will get an idea, but when you want to print, you can easily see the preview and it will come out exactly the same way. Protect and unprotect worksheets. How to protect your sheets, I'll teach you to now. Protect and unprotect worksheets. First, you have to select a home tab. Click on the format cell group and after that on protect sheet. In the red, you can see the highlighted protect sheet in the red highlighted here. Afterwards, your sheet is ready and it will get saved and an automatic drop box come in front of you. It will ask how to set password for your particular worksheet or who can use this worksheet. Whenever a password will given and the worksheet will appear, you can choose whatever you want to show or you want to delete in the particular sheet. Such as you want to have that column or you don't want to have that column, you can select it previously and save it as you want. You can put whatever you want according to your desire. First, you will select all the things and after that click on OK and your sheet will get locked. When you will select it, you must put password. As you put your password in your mobile phone, the same way you have to put the password for the sheet you want to protect. And for unprotecting sheets also, you have to put a password. Bye for now. Explanation has finished. I hope you all have understood it. In next part, there is part 2 of the same lesson. In more detail, I'll explain you in the next part. Now, there are some important shortcuts which we can help in keyboard. Let's read that. How we can easily do with the help of keyboard. Without using of mouse, By regularly doing it, it will come into your habit also, and you will be easily able to do that. The first one is Control plus C means copy. Other is Control plus B, that is bold. Next, Control plus L, that is left. Next is Control plus I, that is italic. Next, Control plus Z, that is undo. For example, you have written something and you have deleted it by mistake, and someone said he wants the same presentation. You will press Ctrl plus Z and it will appear in front of you. Next is Control plus S. That means Control plus S, that means save. Save your data before leaving your desk because it is important. So whenever you want, you can work on the same file or the same draft. For example, if you get a power cut, if you have saved your data, you will get it back, or otherwise it will disappear from you permanently. It is important to press Ctrl plus S after doing any kind of work. Next is Control plus P. Whenever we give the command of print to the computer or laptop, it is important to give the command of Control plus P. Now let's the time of exercise. It is a multiple choice question. From the lessons, you have to think by yourself. What is the name of this picture in which you have seen different columns and borders? Please write the name in that blank given below. As you can easily see in a picture, a column A and a column E. B, C, D is miss. It is hidden. What is the name of that? Please write it in the blank given below. Next question. Which one is not a function in MS Excel? First, sum. Second, average. Third, max. Fourth, minimum, etc. In Excel, columns are labeled as 1, 2, 3, etc., A, B, C, etc., A1, A2, etc., or $A, $1, etc. The dash feature of MS Excel quickly completes series of data. First, autocomplete. Second, autofill. Third, fill handle. Fourth, sorting. Next is the basic unit of a worksheet into which you enter the data is in Excel is called a cell, table, box, column. In Excel, which one denoted a range from B1 through E5. B1 to E5, B1 is to E5, B1 to E5, B1 $E5. Next, use Ctrl plus N to create a new workbook. What do you think? It is right or wrong? It is true or false? To remove only the format from a cell, you can use the delete key. What do you think? It's true or false, or it is right or wrong? Please answer. I hope the chapter has been understood by you all. If you have any doubt, any questions, you can review it and do it again. Thank you. Namaste.